If you are from Nigeria, either you are from Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, even if you are from South Africa or any other African country, and you have been looking for the real remote AI training job, then this video is for you because I've come to bring you Claru.ai. And Claru.ai is currently hiring Africans for AI training jobs. And in this video, I'm also going to be showing you how everything is done and everything you need to know. So by the time you finish watching this video, you will know how to apply, what the job is all about, and how the process works, and even how to increase your chances of getting accepted. So stay with me and stay with me to the end, because I'm also going to show you the exact steps many people are missing. So it's not just about knowing about the platform or hearing about the platform or knowing about the job opportunities, but it's also knowing how you're going to land this project and how you're going to get these jobs. So before we start, if you are serious about making money online with remote AI jobs, so check the links in the channel description and also in the pinned comments, because that is where you will find Remote Power Academy, either on Seller or the Telegram channel, where you will join us and see how everything is being done, and also how to get exam answers, like the assessment answers of all these projects and on this platform, and also how to get your resume done. And you're going to also be seeing resume samples in the Telegram channel, so you can also join the channel membership as well for extra support. So if this is your first time visiting the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you're going to notify whenever I upload tutorials like this, because it's not just about knowing about the project and the ones that are recruiting, but it's about doing it first and being among the first persons that are going to hop on the opportunity. Because a lot of people in Africa are searching for remote AI training jobs, even on AI data annotation jobs and all the online jobs that actually pay in dollars. But Claru.ai is one of those platforms that has started opening opportunities for people in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Kenya, even in Cameroon and every other African countries, because these are all global opportunities. So this is not one of those fake job posts that you're going to see everywhere, or one of those platforms and websites that people talk about here on YouTube. But this one is the one that a member from our for our WhatsApp group reached out to me and told me that she heard about this platform from a friend who stays in UK, and she tried to make an account on it and it actually went successful. So she came to tell me to also share this to my channel members, and that is why I'm making this video like this, because on this channel we talk about all the remote opportunities in US, in UK, in Canada, for our persons who have traveled to study abroad and who are students and not doing a lot of jobs, who only work for 20 hours a week. So we make these opportunities for them to be able to to also get paid and sort out some bills in overseas, and also how we Nigerians can also partake of these opportunities while not needing to travel abroad. So now this one now not only offers opportunities for persons who are staying in those tier 1 countries, but for every other person all over the world, and they are massively recruiting Africans. And that is why I said let me come and make this video here, so that every other person will also be aware of this opportunity. So this is not one of those fake job posts that you will see everywhere. So this is a real AI training platform that needs people to help them train artificial intelligence systems. So in this video, I'll walk you through all the full Claru.ai job tutorial and the review, so you understand exactly what it is expected of you. So first of all, what is Claru.ai? Claru.ai is a platform that hires people to work on AI training tasks. So these tasks usually involve reviewing data, rating responses, or helping improve AI models. So the work is remote, which means you can do it from anywhere as long as you have laptop and you also have stable internet. And you mustn't need to have laptop, even with your mobile device you can also work on this platform. So many freelancers and students in Africa are already looking at platform like this because they want to make money online without depending on any local job. So now let's talk about what you can apply for and who can also apply on Claru.ai. So first of all, from what we are seeing on the screen, Claru.ai is open to people from different countries, including Nigeria, person from Ghana, person from Kenya, Cameroon, South Africa, just any part of Africa or any part of the world where you are. Claru.ai AI is open for you. So this is why the opportunity is important right now, because they are accepting globally. So if you have been searching for a remote AI job for Africans, Claru.ai AI is a AI training platform that offers AI training jobs, which is done online, and they're hiring Nigerians and they're also hiring Ghanaians, because persons are always asking me what platform is hiring from my country, and most questions like this come from persons in Nigeria and from Ghana. And I also see persons from Kenya who also drop stuff like that in the group. So when you apply, the process usually involves creating an account and filling your details and going through an assessment or the onboarding stage. So this is where many people get stuck. The same way it's done on Outlier, the same way it's done in AI, the same way it's also done here on Claru.ai, but it's easier because they accept from your country, which is Nigeria, and from Ghana, from Kenya. Wherever you find yourself in Africa, Claru.ai accepts, so it is easier to onboard on this platform. But some people fail the assessment because they don't understand what the platform is looking for, and others even get confused during the application process. You understand? So that is why I'm making this full tutorial, because I want you to understand the process clearly, so you don't waste your time or don't waste the opportunity while they are still recruiting. So if you want more detailed guidance, including how to prepare for AI assessment and even how to position yourself for remote jobs, like for remote AI jobs, everything is already available inside the remote part academy, because I've already dropped everything there, like the assessment answers, the CV templates. But I'm just explaining here because it's not every person that have already joined the Telegram channel. Well, we also have AI training platform that recruits in Africans, especially Nigeria, Kenya, and Ghanaians. So if you're looking for legit AI training job that actually recruits, that whenever you apply you're going to get accepted, and how to apply and also how to perform the tasks, how to pass the assessment, then I suggest you should check out on our seller platform. I'm also going to be making a guide, like a full guide on this Claru.ai. I'm also going to be posting it there, also in the Telegram channel. So do well to check out the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. So now let's talk about the kind of work you're going to be doing on these platforms. So on platform like Claru.ai, the tasks are usually related to AI training, which is the same thing that we'll be doing in Outlier and also in Handshake. So and they also offer AI data annotation jobs and also remote AI work. So these are some of the most searched online jobs. So the job keywords right now in Nigeria and Kenya is all only about AI training, and this is what Claru.ai is offering, and they're all gonna also be offering you so they're also in the platform, they also offer you guideline on what the job is all about. So there's nothing to be scared about while signing up, because of the BB grammars you are seeing on the website about the job type. These are all basically AI training jobs. It's also about text response, and also going through search relevance. But the good part is that you can work remotely. That's just the most important thing. So even if you are given 20 hours to work and you don't really understand properly, you can always go through the guideline before you come back to work, because it is a remote job. So you have all the time you need to study very well. It's not an on-site job that when you go and you're not doing it correctly, you get sacked. So that is the good thing about Claru.ai, and you don't even need to travel or relocate, because this job, persons who are hosting the job on Claru.ai are most companies in the United States, but Claru.ai is offering the job opportunities globally, so you can always access it from anywhere without having to travel or relocate. As long as you have a computer, you have phone, you have internet, you can do the work from home. However, you need to be careful and follow the instructions properly, because many people rush in and they get things mixed up. So from the application and from the tax aspect, you have to take it very careful and not rush the application and end up getting rejected. And here are a few important tips I would want you to know before you start making your application. One is to make sure your information is accurate when you are applying, and two is to take your time during the assessment tests, and three, use a stable internet connection and read every instructions carefully. And if you follow these simple steps, your chances of getting accepted become very, very, very high. And I know many of you are watching this video, and you have not subscribed to our channel, so do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And many persons are also searching for remote jobs for Nigerians, so you have found this one. Don't keep on searching. All you have to do is to take action, because AI jobs for Ghanaians are always online and always online whenever you want them, but it depends on the right information you have about these jobs, and that is what we are providing here in Tech Freelance Hub. So we're not just like other remote job channels that come and tell you stuff that they are not doing. What we share here is what we do, and we have come to always share opportunities that actually favors Nigerians, Africans, or every other person wherever you are watching from. We don't just share this website, we share the actual websites that actually hire and have tags for freelancers. So if this is making sense to you so far, do me a quick favor by dropping a comment below and tell me which country you are watching from, and just type, if you're watching from Nigeria, just type Nigeria, and also going to be sending you a direct guide for jobs available for Nigerians. If you're watching from Kenya or any country watching from, tell me in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell so that you don't miss new remote AI jobs that I'm going to be posting here in the future, and all the tutorials I'm going to be sharing here. So now let's talk about what happens after you have applied. Once you submit your application, the platform will review it, and if you pass the initial stage, you may be invited to complete a further step to start working on available tasks. And this is the point where many persons get excited, but you still need to remain professional and consistent, because remote AI jobs reward people who follow guidelines and also deliver quality work. So if you do not work well, and you increase your chances of getting more tasks. If you work well, you increase the chances of getting more tasks, and if you do not work well, you lose the job. So if you want a complete system for remote AI jobs, including how to apply correctly, how to pass assessment, and even how to stay consistent, check out the Remote Path Academy on Seller, and you'll find a link in the description and also in the channel in the pinned comment of this video, so you can join the channel membership as well for a closer support. And we are getting close to the end of the video, so let me give you a quick summary. Claru.ai is opening AI training job opportunities that Africans can apply for, and the work is remote. You need to apply carefully and follow the process, and if you want extra